Ano ang rason bakit pinatay si Mayor Halili? I'm sure this came out. 2 years kayo nang imbestiga eh. So sa pag-iimbestiga ninyo, I'm amazed, I'm surprised na 10 lang ang in-interview ninyo since this is a very big case. Okay, so ano mga possible motive? Wala bang lumabas doon sa investigasyon ninyo kung ano mga possible motive sa pagpatay ni Mayor Halili?
Kasama din, Your Honor. In fact, may finalo up yung ating Tanawan City Police Station na mga yung parade of shame niya, then a certain Jerry Halili na isang drug pusher sa area na allegedly as per the investigation of Tanawan City Police Station ay pinalayas niya because of his drug activities.
Pinalabas na si Mayor Halili ay isang involved sa illegal drugs. The truth of the matter, he might not have been involved, but yet to justify the killing, inilagay na naman siguro ito sa isa sa mga narco-list kagaya kay Jed Madela, who was Jed Mabilog pala, wherein if you recall during his testimony that he was also included in the narco list, but eventually he was not even involved in illegal drugs. So yung po ang tinitignan natin. Ngayon, andito po ba si Captain Albortra? Hindi pa case closed yung kay Halili incident. Kung gano'n, kung tinurn over lang ninyo.
Yes, sir. That's correct, sir.
So, after 2 years, there was no concrete conclusion. Yung bang ibig nyo sabihin? Kasi tinurn over nyo doon. There was no concrete conclusion of the investigation na ginawa ninyo.
Yes, sir. Because of lack of witnesses and credible information. Pero tuloy-tuloy yung pag-gather nila. That's why inabot kami ng 13th progress report, Your Honor.
Ilang progress reports?
13, sir. 13.
13 progress reports.
Yes, sir.
So you must have made a very thorough investigation on the matter, and probably you had interviewed several witnesses. Mga ilang witnesses bang in-interview niyo dito?
As per records of the case, sir, about 4 or 5 members of the City Council, including the Vice Mayor, the SK Chairman, 1 witness working at the, I think, Loyola Memorial, near the place of the gun site, at the back of the City Hall. So more or less 9 or 10 witnesses, Your Honor.
9 or 10 witnesses lang ang na-interview ninyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa tingin ninyo, ano ang rason bakit pinatay si Mayor Halili? I'm sure this came out. 2 years kayo nang imbestiga eh. So sa pag-iimbestiga ninyo, I'm amazed, I'm surprised na 10 lang ang in-interview ninyo since this is a very big case. Okay, so ano mga possible motive? Wala bang lumabas doon sa investigasyon ninyo kung ano mga possible motive sa pagpatay ni Mayor Halili? I'm very sure that you have received probably unverified reports, you have received rumors or whatever unofficial reports regarding the killing of Mayor Halili. Ano bang nasagap ninyo doon sa pag-imbestiga ninyo? I'm very sure that there were some tidbits of information regarding the character of Mayor Halili that could lead to his killing. Ano ba ang sa investigasyon nyo? Ano bang nahagip po ninyo?
Your Honor, there were many angles initially considered by the SITG, regional SITG. My business, sir, old grudge. Then, yung statement ni, yung isang security na, sir, si Mr. Lungalong sa affidavit na, sir, na nababanggit ni Mayor sa kanila, sa statement niya, sa statement number, question number 11 and 12, ang sabi nung isang security officer niya, sir, is maraming nababanggit si Mayor na nagbamata sa buhay niya dahil sa paglaban niya sa illegal drugs at saka criminality, Your Honor.
Pero bakit merong mga aligasyon? You're saying na maraming nakalaban si Mayor Halili against illegal drugs. However, based on the newspaper reports and some reports that have come out, alam na ho natin, dun sa previous administration, in fact, I think Mayor Halili was accused that he was involved in illegal drugs. Hindi ba nasama sa pag-imbestigan ninyo yon?
Kasama din, Your Honor. In fact, may finalo up yung ating Tanawan City Police Station na mga yung parade of shame niya, then a certain Jerry Halili na isang drug pusher sa area na allegedly as per the investigation of Tanawan City Police Station ay pinalayas niya because of his drug activities.
Hindi, pero yung aligasyon na si Mayor Halili ay involved sa droga, hindi ba lumabas doon sa investigasyon ninyo?
Wala kaming conclusive we were not able to gather conclusive evidence as to that effect, Your Honor.
Kayo, Mayor Carranza, you're the regional director then. Was former Mayor Halili included in the narco list?
Sir, as regional director, we were not furnished any list coming from the PRRD list. We are not in possession of PRRD list. There was another person who called me trying to follow up the case of Mayor Halili. When I checked with our regional intelligence division, the report we have in the regional intelligence division was, it was documented, I think it's still with R2, that Mayor Halili way back in 1992 was involved into gun running. That's the only report we had that was documented in the regional investigation division.
So
As to the
he
report,
was never included in the narco list.
I have not seen the list of those involved into illegal drugs, sir. Honestly, sir, even the provincial director doesn't have any list regarding those who were listed as high-value targets.
So you did not receive any rumors also or unverified reports regarding the involvement of Mayor Halili sa drugs?
There were rumors that he was involved into illegal drugs, and I received report that the former chief of police, as I look up into the report way back in 2016, conducted a tukhang regarding the ABC president of Tanawan, including the mayor, were subjected to tukhang.
I'm asking these questions, Mr. Chair, because in 2018, there were reports that it's highly probable that Mayor Halili is a victim of AJK. Nangyari, nakita na po natin yung kay Wesley Barayuga, kung saan after the death of Wesley Barayuga, he was included in the narco list. But, of course, yun ay what it was fabricated to justify the killing of Wesley Barayuga. So I'm just trying to connect the dots, Mr. Chair, na maaring yung pagkapatay kay Mayor Halili, this was part again of false reporting na pinalabas na si Mayor Halili ay isang involved sa illegal drugs, but truth of the matter, he might not be involved, but to justify the killing, inilagay na naman siguro ito sa isa sa mga narco list kagaya kay Jed Madela, who was Jed Mabilog pala, wherein if you recall during his testimony that he was also included in the narco list, but eventually he was not even involved in illegal drugs. So, yun po ang tinitignan natin. Ngayon, andito po ba si Captain Albotra?
Yes po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Captain Albotra, alam na ho ninyo siguro yung sinabi ni Colonel Garma na maaring itong bumaril o pumatay kay Mayor Halili ay isang sharpshooter ang maaring gumawa nito. Alam ho ba ninyo itong statement ni Colonel Garma?
Hindi ko po maalala, Mr. Chair, na ang alam ko lang po is nagsabi daw po ako sa kanya, Mr. Chair, na nagmayabang po ako, Mr. Chair, sa kanya po.
Doon na nga ako papunta yung sunod ko na tanong sa iyo, Colonel Albutra. Sinabi niya sa affidavit niya, and to this, she testified in this committee na during one of baka drinking session or one of the events, pinagmayabang mo daw that ikaw ang nagpapatay kay Mayor Halili. Or it could be that what you said is that you were involved or you participated in the killing of Mayor Halili. Ano po ang masasabi niyo doon?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang naalala ko po sa sinabi ni Ma'am, I did that during the courtesy call po, Mr. Chair.
Kasi ang sabi ni Colonel Garba, ito, ang sabi mo daw, ayon kay Captain Albotra, ang may kagagawan nung pagpatay kay Mayor Halili ay isang sharpshooter.
Yun po ang sinabi niya, Mr. Chair.
Sinabi mo ba yun?
Mr. Chair, hindi po, Mr. Chair.